No way. What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and we have a very special unboxing for you guys today. Inside here is a surprise from OnePlus, but it's not only for me, it is also to share with you guys, and details of that will be towards the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. You guys are probably now used to seeing this OnePlus branded box here on the channel. You know that whenever we have one of these, there's going to be some exciting stuff inside. Never settle. Lots of bubble wrap. No way. No way. Guys, are you seeing this? This is absolutely insane. We have 5. That's right, 5 OnePlus 5T's. And these aren't regular OnePlus 5T's. They are limited edition OnePlus 5T's. And we also have a box of Ray-Bans. Okay, this is exciting. Right, let's get these out and get rid of this big box. Guys, I can't believe it. This is just insane. 5 OnePlus 5T's. So first up, let's go ahead and unbox the Ray-Bans. Okay, they're in some red packaging. Wow, look at that. Well, hello there. Wow, these are so dope. We've got black at the front. We've got red on the sides, hint, hint. And these are actually custom. You can see that we've got SuperSaf here on both sides as well. Let's get these on. What do you guys think? I'm digging these, black and red, nice. Right, now let's get to unboxing the OnePlus 5T's. I'm only gonna be unboxing one of them because the others are gonna be exactly the same. Now remember I mentioned that we have limited edition OnePlus 5T's, and the front actually looks the same. On the left hand side we have OnePlus 5T, and on the right hand side we have a new view. I'm not sure the previous ones had this. Right, let's get this out of the box. Now you guys may have already guessed which limited edition OnePlus 5T we have in here. That's right guys, it is the limited edition OnePlus 5T in lava red. Wow, I gotta take my shades off for this. This looks very slick. Now, as well as the OnePlus 5T in lava red, which we'll be taking a closer look at in a second, we do have all of the other bits that you'd expect. Quick start guys, safety information, some OnePlus stickers, SIM card ejector tool, a clear case, which is always a nice touch. Then we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, as well as a dash charger, which is included in the box. And dash charging, in my testing, is the fastest charging on any smartphone right now. I've done lots of charging speed tests, which you can check out in the cards. Now this color is very unique, it's very vibrant. It's not just a standard red, but with this sort of metallic look, it does look very dope. The buttons and the alert slider, everything are color coordinated as well, so they look really nice, including the antenna bands. Now bringing in the other colors of the OnePlus 5T, we've got the Midnight Black, that's a regular version, and then we've also got here the Sandstone White, which was the limited edition, and that sold out so quickly. I would expect the same to be happening with the OnePlus 5T Lava Red. So if you do want to pick one up, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Make sure you get that straight away. And in terms of the feel of the Lava Red, it's very similar to that of the Midnight Black. So you've got this smooth metal finish. It's not like the Sandstone White. Everything else on the Lava Red OnePlus 5T is the same as the other models. So we've got the same dual cameras. You've got the same fingerprint scan at the back, which is the fastest that I've tested. There's the same AMOLED, almost 6-inch display, which has minimal bezels and looks absolutely great. And we've got the Snapdragon 835 processor with a very near to stock Android experience with Oxygen OS. And the Lava Red is only going to be available in the 8GB of RAM version with 128GB of storage. And you guys have heard me say this so many times before, but when it comes to bang for buck, then this is the best smartphone you can buy right now. Just to put it into perspective, you could buy 2 of these and you'd still be saving some money in comparison to an iPhone 10. Right guys, now let's talk business. As you can see here, we've got 5. That's right, we've got 5 Lava Red limited edition OnePlus 5T's. And these are up for grabs for you guys. So how do you enter, I hear you ask? Well, as you guys know, on SuperSaf TV, we like to keep things as simple as possible. So if you want a chance to win one of 5 limited edition OnePlus 5T's in Lava Red, then you need to simply be following me on social media as well as OnePlus. So that's YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of those links will be in the description below, so you can go ahead and follow those over there. Nice and simple. Then once you've done that and you're following us on all of those channels linked in the description below, then you just need to come back onto this video and drop a comment below with what your favorite feature of the OnePlus 5T is. Also include your social media handles so it'll be easier for us to find you and get in touch with you. And this giveaway is going to be open till Friday, so we're going to be closing this at the end of Friday, so that's going to be GMT midnight, and we'll be individually contacting the 5 winners as well as making an announcement on this video in the comments. That comment will be pinned, so look out in your inbox. And remember, if you haven't been contacted, then unfortunately you have not won. Please don't keep messaging myself on OnePlus constantly asking to be selected and asking what are the results, because as I've already mentioned, you will be contacted. As always, this giveaway is international, so you can enter wherever you are. And I wish you guys all the best. I want to say a big thanks to OnePlus for hooking this up. This is by far the biggest giveaway that we've done on the channel. And I want to thank you guys for all of your continued support. We are on around 850,000 subscribers, which is insane. We're getting very close to the million. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more epic giveaways like this, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button to let me know. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.